down to Victoria Tower, St Martin's. This is a Martello Tower, which was built by the British to protect this headland from the enemy approaching Mont Orgueil Castle. And it's aptly named Victoria Tower due to it being completed when Queen Victoria took the throne. So during the World War II, the Germans also mounted a small anti-aircraft gun on top of Victoria Tower. This is the only Martello Tower in Jersey which has what you'd call a moat. So this is Mont Orgueil Castle. It was built in the 13th century. It was the first line of defence against the French attack and represents Jersey's loyalty to the English crown. This is what they would call the back of Mont Orgueil Castle, or Gory Castle, and this is where, sort of in the distance, behind all the construction, was where the Martello Tower, Victoria Tower was.